Hi, everybody. It's Lori Zachary with LA Thrift Junkie, and I am having a 14-day challenge that is getting us back on track. It's going to help some people see things differently, maybe learn a few things. Sometimes, especially with seasoned sellers, a lot of this is old news, but what you need to think about is what you can tweak to make it better. So, as you're going through these videos, be sure to try to adapt and bring in the ideas that's going to work for you, and maybe open your mind to the ones that I'm giving that you're not doing to give it a try. Okay, so we're going to talk about how I have a closet sale today so that I can kind of go through how I do it. Maybe you can develop your very own, or you can use my exact method. I don't mind. I'm just basically here to help you, show you what's working for me at this point during this change in Poshmark. So, what we're going to talk about first is offer to likers. My highest percentage of sales comes from offers to likers. So daily, choose a percent off, choose the shipping discount you want to offer, and use the tools, my shoppers, please, not automation. This is going to make a difference. Yes, this automation snags some buy or some, sellers, buyers. I'm trying to speak, I'm sorry. But yes, it does. But you're going to get a better response if you use Poshmark's built-in tools. Okay, so if you're using automation to send out your offers to likers, consider just trying this for one Friday, 1 week. Just try it one time. See if it makes a difference. Keep in mind, you want to have your sales day if you do that on a good day, like Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, maybe even Sundays sometimes, are the best days to have a percent off sell. Okay, so I hope that that's going to help you when it comes to having a successful sell. So the next way you can do a sell on Poshmark is closet clear out. So what is closet clear out? It's when you go and you drop your prices to any item you want to drop your price to. You don't have to drop it for every item. Just drop it for the ones that you want gone, right? And you have to drop it by at least 10%. So they actually have an automated tool where you can do this. It doesn't take very much time. Again, I know automation offers this, but you guys, I am telling you, if you can get away from automation as much as possible and use Poshmark's tools that they made for us, it's going to make a difference in your sales right now. So as they're testing, there's things going on that's going to give some blockage to those of you that's using automation. Do they say that that your items don't get shared, that you're getting shadow banned and all that? No. Nizal came out and told me that this change wasn't for automation, but it is affecting it. Okay, so another way that you can do sales is by bundling. You can do that by in the My Sellers discounts. You can do that in My Shoppers, and you can do that when customers make a bundle all to themselves. So you'll notice somebody's bundling things, right? Well, after you see them quit, go and make an offer. Now, just because they're bundling, does that mean that they want to buy? Absolutely not. Window shopping is a thing. It has been a thing for years. People enjoy going and picking out things that they would like. But if you're going to come to them and give them a great deal, they just might take advantage of your offer. So that's why it's very important to try to make these sales any way you can. It is not off-putting to have somebody give you an offer. And if it is off-putting to that person, they're in the wrong place, because Poshmark is made to haggle prices. It's why there's so many different ways to make an offer. So don't feel guilty to trying to make offers to people. Don't let other people's opinions of, I don't like that. Okay, so you don't like that, but that's what Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari is about. That's what a flea market is about. That's what so many places like this is about. So it is a big part of how I make my sales. So don't be intimidated by it. Just do it. Okay, so now we're going to get into how I personally have sales on my Poshmark closet. Go ahead and adapt this to what's best for you, but this is how I do it, and you're welcome to do it just like I do this. Okay, so every single day I offer a 15% off discount and $4.99 shipping. I do that about 8 o'clock every day. Make sure you're doing it at an optimized time. That's really important for them to see these notifications. Okay. Then every other Friday, because if you do this too much, it doesn't work. Every other Friday, I offer 25% off and no shipping discount to anybody that's liked anything for the last 2 weeks. So at this point, I have offered them a 15% discount with a shipping discount. Now I'm offering them a 25% off discount. So I'm widening the net. I'm giving them that second opportunity. Okay, 15% was enough. How about 25%? Because we're not in the storage business, you guys. We're in the selling business. Okay, and the next thing I do is I set my seller discount to 5% off 2 or more items. Why do I do this? Because when I go and offer 25% off on my shipping discount, it's actually going to give anybody that has 2 or more items in my closet 30% off. And I do state this later on in this video. At the end, you're going to see some where I screenshot or I screen recorded how to do all this, like literally how to use these tools on Poshmark. So stay tuned for that if you need that information. But this is how I do my weekly sales. The next thing I do on that weekend, that 25% off weekend, every other weekend, I do tiered sales. What I mean by that is Friday, I do my 25% off. Then Saturday, I do 20% off individual items. So I go through and anybody that's liked any item in my closet, I offer them 20% off and the $5.95 shipping discount. So the lowest tier that you can offer. That's what I do personally. Then on Sunday, because it's usually closet clear out, I go through and I lower my price 10% to everything in my closet that I want to see gone. I never do it with new. I don't do it with stuff I know just needs a little bit of time to sell. But if it's stale, if I'm sick of seeing it in there, I lower it 10% because what this does is it sends out an offer to everybody that's liked this item, and the shipping discount is on Poshmark. And there's something like a 4 to 6 hour window, so check into that. I'm not positive on that. I do believe that it's like a maybe even a 5 hour. So make sure you're doing that at an optimized time. Don't do it too late at night. You've only got that 5, 4, whatever it is, hour window. So don't do it late at night and don't do it too early in the morning. So that weekend, those weekends is when I bring in a lot of my sales. I bring in a lot of my income. And I've been doing this since the beginning of February because I've been in the group since January where sales were beginning to slow down. Okay. Keep watching. Shows you how to do all this. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you how to get to different things. I'm using an Android, so I hope that that's helpful. But I go down here to the bottom where it says LA Thrift Junkie, so it's on the bottom right-hand corner, so your name, and you're going to poke on that, okay? The next thing you're going to find is My Seller Tools. So we're going to hit My Seller Tools, okay? And this is where you're going to get to a few different things that we use to have sales. And the first one is going to be My Seller Discounts. So hit My Seller Discounts. And you see here, this is the bundle discount. So first of all, you see how I can toggle it on and off. So I have it on if it's in green. I have mine set to 5% for 2 or more items. So what you do is it's going to automatically give customers this discount if they bundle and purchase the items, and it's going to tell them this. Also keep in mind that when you're making your offers, like in bulk, like using My Shoppers, if you say I'm going to give them 20% off, it's going to still add this 5%. So you're really giving them 25% off, okay? So please keep that in mind. If you want to, when you have your Friday sale, if this is what you choose to do, you come in here and just turn that off. And then after you've made your sale, you can just turn it right back on, okay? So that's the first thing you can do. You can choose whatever you want. You can choose it up to 30%. You can say it's going to take 7 items to get there. So you use that combination however you want to. Okay, let's go back. The next thing we're going to talk about is My Shoppers. So My Shoppers is is back there at the very top. You see that? So this is My Shoppers, and yours might look a little bit different because I got a update and it used to be different, but I'm just going to go down here to the normal where it says View All. So we're going to hit View All. These are all the people that have liked items, okay, you guys? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down through here. I hit this deselect all. I apologize. So we're going to go down through here, and I'm just going to get a handful right now. I'm going to get 10. So I remember tomorrow what I done. because it's kind of late, honestly, to be sending offers. But I want to show you guys this. So, okay, so I've selected 10 people. You can select as many as you want to. And if you do this on your computer, you can hit the top one and go to the bottom and select it, and it'll select all. However, I have noticed that it's very glitchy, and there is nothing like thinking you're sending out 300 offers and finding out you didn't. Like the other day, I used that like that, and I sent out my 15% off offers, and it sent them out just a shipping discount. So I kind of like that didn't work out very well. So I'm going to use my phone, and that's just my personal opinion. So I'm going to hit the word actions. I'm going to hit add likes to bundle. So if they've liked more than one item or anything they've liked, it's going to add it to a bundle for them automatically. So as you see, it goes through here. Now we're going to hit send the offer to the bundle. Now again, remember I do 15% off and the $4.99 shipping discount. I'm going to hit apply, next, and then down here you'll see send bundle offer down at the very bottom. So I'm going to hit send bundle offer. Okay, and it does it just like that. Now what's really cool about this is you can add a comment to the bundle, so you don't have to type out this comment over and over and over. I'm going to make it super simple for the video so it's not too long. And I would honestly make that just a little bit longer, but I don't want you guys to sit here in silence too long. I want to double check my writing so I don't look like an idiot in here, you guys. Okay, now hit post. So see, it's going to automatically send that to everybody. So again, you don't want to overdo this, you guys, because if you don't know this, there is a limit to how many times you can send out offers. So this is why I do, every day I do 15% off $4.99 discount. Then every 2 weeks, I do the 25% off, no shipping discount, because that's 2 times I've sent them the same, or not the same offer, 2 times I've sent them the offer on the same bundle. So you can only do that so many times to make it worthwhile. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to show you. I'm going to stop now, and then I'll come back. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is how to do the closet clear out. Now, I've described in the video a little bit more about it, but this is just instructions on how to actually do it on an Android cell phone. So at the very top right-hand corner, you're going to see 2 like wrenches, so like tools. So you're going to hit on that. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to hit, oh my goodness, it's gone. No, edit listing price. Oh you guys. I always tell you when I get on this live recording, it just stymies me for some reason. Okay, so you see here where it says you want to raise prices or you want to drop prices. So we're going to drop prices. You have to drop it by at least 10% for closet clear out to work. Now you guys, tonight's not closet clear out, so I'm going to only do a few of these, okay? Just to show you guys. I'm going to scroll way down here. Maybe here. Some of the things, I kind of go through and it's like, have I had that a long time? Am I sick of seeing it? Do I actually kind of hate it being in my closet? So I want to pick a few of these things. You see, I actually just delisted and relisted things. So I actually have quite a few things I dropped the prices on already that I really kind of want out of my closet. But I'm going to pick those things, 7 things. Now we're going to hit drop prices. So drop prices again. And now what it's doing is it's dropping these prices by 10%. It's going to send out this notification to anybody that's liked these items. And it's going to tell them that Facebook, that Poshmark is going to cover discounted shipping. I think it's 6 hours. So they only have a 6-hour window. So I'm not going to get any sales from this unless somebody's up super late. But I just wanted to show you guys how that works. So I also, again, explained this deeper in the video. So make sure you go back if you need to. But that's how the tool actually works. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is how I have my 20% off individual item sale, which is very similar to what we just done. So we're going to hit
the little toolbar, okay? We're going to make offers to likers instead of editing the listing price, which makes it a lower price for everybody and permanently leaves it at that price. Make offer to likers is only going to drop the price for your likers. And like I say, I always use the 20% off when I'm doing this, because I'm usually doing it as a tiered, okay? And I don't actually use, oh no, I do. I'm sorry, I take that back. I do use the shipping discount, and I use the top one for this. Okay, so we're just going to kind of show this, and I'm going to go down through here. That has 2 likes, has a like. We're just going to do 4 of them real quick. So I'm going to submit offers to likers. So this is exactly how you do that. So this is submitting offers to likers on individual items. So you can select as many or as little as you want. And what's nice, let me hit cancel here. What's nice, can you see where it says your offer price will be $14? Your net earnings is $9.33. But you guys keep in mind, I don't think that brings the shipping discount off of there, and I really wish it would. And I might be wrong, they may have changed that, but last that I paid attention to this, it did not, that net earnings does not show you what it is if you give them a shipping discount. Okay, I'm just going to hit submit offers, and it submits the offers, you guys. So it's just as easy as that.
Okay, so to summarize this video, this is basically to show you how to have a sale. Also, keep in mind, a lot of the items that I used as samples was like the bottom of my closet where it usually sits because it's been there for a long time. I brought them up so that I could show you guys how to do this and not jeopardize my best listings. But what I want you to do, if you have not done this type of thing yet, try it for a couple weeks. See how it works for you. And remember, you can also use that tool that lowers the price 10% to raise them 10%, whatever it is you need to raise them for before you start making offers. Keep in mind, if somebody has already liked an item, you have to give them an offer at least 10%. So let's say that you raised the price to 20%, or you raised the price 20% higher than what it was. Now you have to offer 30% before that liker is going to see this offer. So if that's confusing, just ask me and I'll run through that. Okay, and don't forget, you guys, to come to our Facebook group page. This is where we give the giveaways and the prizes for this 14-day challenge. You'll find this exact video on there, and you're going to read on that post what you're going to win and how you're going to win it. So I hope to see you guys there. I thank you for watching. I hope some of this has been helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.